obodo Igbo. Angeli Jelly. Angeli Jelly nwa obodo Igbo. How are you? I want to know. What? You mean you're coming back to this village? Yes. No. That won't be a problem. Don't you trust your uncle? I will handle it perfectly well. Yes. You can count on me. Hail Angelina, Queen Elizabeth herself. Yes, that is beautiful and wonderful. It's okay. You don't know how happy I am now. You have made me proud. Okay. You said it's by next week, Friday. It's all right till then. Yes, I'll greet her. Jelly sends her greetings.
Oh, ma, Chai. Greet her from you.
Okay, bye. It's Bonwa. Oh, one more off, ma. Bye.
My husband, did she say she's coming back?
Angelina, my late brother's daughter, will be coming back to this village by next week, Friday.
Baby!
The most beautiful aspect of it is that when she comes back for her holiday, she's taking 80 people along with her back to London.
Hey, she's coming back.
Yes.
Oh, no. She will come back. Then take 80 people back to London.
80 people. And I'm going to add 5. That will be my own slot.
My husband, Angelina Butegike. No, she has made real money. Check it now.
Listen to
80
me.
people, what's someone?
Everything about her is pounds and dollars.
Oh, my brave.
Pounds and dollars.
Chai!
Honey. Another thing is that she told me that I should look for a PA. The person that would take her round all the nooks and crannies of this village. But with conditional, that person will know how to drive. Yes. And be lettered. That is, he will be well educated. That is where the problem comes.
My husband, he said PA,
yes, personal assistant.
To be assisting her.
Yes.
No need to look further now. I'm here. I can be her personal assistant.
Do you know what is personal assistant? Now let me explain it well to you. Nobody will have access to her. Nobody will see her without going through that PA, the personal assistant. Onion she get boy. Onion mammy get boy. Anything you'll be assisting her.
But the PA will be paid at the end of the day.
Of course, well paid handsomely.
Oh, my husband, let me PA sheep.
Okay, go and get Miss PA. You don't know you're married. Huh? You'll be following somebody about and leave your husband. Huh? Come, go get inside and get me my food. Go, move fast.
Mazi, you don't mean what you are saying. Angelina.
You heard me well. Yes, Angelina. She now eats and dines with Queen Elizabeth of England. Huh? Yes. Hey, yes. So she is coming back to this village. That is the most welcome part of it. Very interesting.
This is an interesting news. In fact, this is the best news of the year. Eh? Angelina coming down to this village from London. Hey, please, as a close friend of mine, I want to plead with you. Because I would like you to add the name of my daughter Helene on the list of the people that she will be taking back to London. When you want to say, London. Hey.
You're very, very right. You're more on you for man. It's not possible. Hey. On that note, I will see what I can do. Meanwhile, I want you and others to come out en mass. Let us receive the only person from this village that dines with Queen Elizabeth herself.
At times you do amaze me. On a serious note, you don't even need to invite me. With him, whether you invite me or not, I am going to bring my entire family. I personally and my entire family, including Ndogom, yes, that is my in-laws. I'm going to bring them to that place. Hey,
please.
I will come. I promise you that.
Tell people.
I will
in fact, I want us to give her a warm and finest reception. Or
oh yeah,
even herself will know that she has people in this village. Yes.
All this is possible. Believe me, as the information minister of this community, yes, I am going to go around the whole community and inform them.
Of course.
Hey, Angelina of London.
Yes.
Hey.
Amara, yes? Why are you running? Hope everything is okay.
My sister, all is well.
Thank God.
I'm running to Ego's house to break the good news to her.
Good news, what? Pico, tell me, what is the good news?
Wait, you have not heard?
I've not heard anything, my sister.
Oh, well, Angela is coming back from London next week Friday. And I also heard that the Queen instructed her when going back, she should bring 80 people. Yes. And it's free of charge.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Are you sure about what you are saying?
The uncle he has been going around telling people about it.
Hey! If not so, London, here I come. Hey.
So you also want to go to London?
Question. I am already among the 80 persons that will be leaving this village. They there. Hey, London chic, now you see so.
Imagine, Angela.
Yes, so.
Now is and dines with Queen of England.
Never don't change.
Hey. Anyway, her uncle told us that we should come next week Friday and welcome her at the airport. So, I hope you'll be there.
No need to tell me. I am there already. In fact, I'm on the first line. Now there I did.
Let me go and inform Ego about it.
No problem. Thank you, Yeah. God bless you.
All right now.
Thank you. Betty. This time around, your luck must shine. London, here I go. Hey, very soon I go be London. They won't try me. Betty, when I enter London, gonna give them. They go yeah, they don't know. They're not rich. Hey, God. Chai, this one sweet me. London, baby.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
This one you are smiling.
Hello, Timere.
I am fine.
I'm happy because my life has changed. You know that my late brother's daughter, the one in London now.
Angelina. What happened to her?
Yeah, she called me and told me that she will be coming back any moment from now.
What? That calls for celebration.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And not only that, the most exciting part of it is that she will be going back to London with 80 persons after her holiday. Free of charge. Nobody is putting a dime.
Wait a minute.
Can you imagine that?
You are joking.
I'm not joking.
You mean she is taking 80 persons from this community to London?
80 persons.
And she will single-handedly pay their visa fee and pay their ticket fee at the same time?
Of course. You know, Angelina eats and dines with Queen Elizabeth.
Oh.
She swims in pounds and dollars.
Yeah.
Diego Jobo.
Hey, hey, wow. I am so happy. Uncle, you see, God has finally remembered your family.
Yes.
You know, the Bible said, when you must have suffered for a little while, God will bless you.
Yes.
You see, it's only in the area.
There is always a light at the end of every tunnel.
That's it. That's it. Obago, this news choked me. It choked me, die. God is indeed a wonderful God.
Yes.
I am happy.
Yes.
I am happy. Thank God for you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank God for you.
Obiada.
Sir.
Yeah, it's not all this thing you've been doing. No. Just promise me that you will be in my house next week, Friday, to welcome her.
So soon?
Promise me. Yes.
She's coming back next week, Friday.
Of course now.
Yake kana yo mayo. Ngabia de angono momo. Angono fuel. Wara na agbam. Angono kai.
Oriri de.
Egbe lo gbagburum katapila okwarere
Mba ya kwa kwori.
I must be there.
Nde mu ama afore kwa.
Oh, for lam go mam gabia. In fact, on Thursday, I will be there to wait against that Friday.
Okay, gabia ziweki.
Because uncle, Iyoma jarimma.
Oh, jarimma.
Egwere egwu ndo were ba anyị gụrụ si ihe dị mma jarimma, ihe dị mma jarimma, ewo, ihe dị mma jarimma, ihe dị mma dọgbolo onwe ya someday way. Ebe! I will come, sir. I will come. Thank you very much.
Make sure you're there.
I will. I will.
Don't fail me, oh.
I cannot fail you. I will have to go and make new clothes. Makima no nya ashish. So we need to look neat. Come dejila hoshi and metoshaya. Thank you, sir.
Ngwano. So you dead, eh?
All right, sir. Bye-bye. Ciao. God has really remembered this community because it's not easy. Do you know how much that girl is going to spend to take up to 80 persons to London? Not only that, she will make their visa. She will also pay their flight ticket. It will cost her millions of money.
I am very happy for her. A lady coming to take the entire village, coming to make them proud.
Mama, good afternoon, ma. Obiadada, good afternoon. Fine, thank you, Mama. Fine. Obiadada, my uncle said I should call you, that you should come with me, that it's a matter of urgency. Mama, no problem.
Obareze.
Obareze!
You want to see me?
Yes.
Did anything happen?
Nothing. You just said I should just come with you immediately.
Obiadada.
Mama, I say, Ujadra Therefor, Oyemeroji Butuzo. There's nothing to worry about. Unyake Edo Chana has songongo. My hands are clean. My conscience is free. So let me go and know why he's calling me. Okay? Please take care of my carrots.
Let's go.
I'll tell you.
Come back quick, oh.
I know you'll be wondering why I called you.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Kanti waraga koibos. Angelina, the one I told you about last time, she told me to look for someone who is trustworthy and who can drive as well to be her PA. No one will see her or gain any access to her except through the person, I mean the PA. So after much deliberation with my wife, we decided to give you the job. Yes, because you are the only one that fits in her description of the PA.
Yes, sir. Do you want me to help you get someone, or do you want me to write and paste it for people to apply?
You are the one to do the job. You fit in very well in the job because your mother told me that you have been driving in the city before you decided to come back.
Yes, sir. Yes, I drove for Lunatic Company in Lagos for years before I resigned. I also drove for Bastard Billionaires Club in Abuja for 5 years. In Benin, I also drove for Awkward Massacre Company in Benin for, let's say, 2 years. That was the place I decided to, I said, no, let me come down to the village and then and follow my destiny.
Yes, that's very good. Now, not only this, you will also be in charge of selecting the 80 persons that will go back to London with Angelina.
Yes, sir?
Yes.
Me? We'll select the 80 people.
Yes.
That will be going to London with her. That means along the line, I also can follow among them to go to London.
Wait! Relax, I'm not done yet.
Uncle, this one choke me. This one choke me.
It's all right.
This one choke me.
It's just that you're hard working. That's why we'll give you the job. Now listen to me.
Yes, sir.
I want you to do this job without sentiment.
I have started already, sir.
And make sure that nobody whosoever will see her without your permission.
They will see her with my permission, sir. Everybody will see her. No, nobody will see her, sir, without my permission, sir. Nobody will see her. Yes, even if everybody will see her for my permission, sir. Yes, nobody will see her, sir. Sorry, I'm so excited. Nobody will see her.
It's okay. So go home and get yourself ready.
Yes, I am ready already. I am. In fact, I have started working.
Prepared and start the work.
Sir, I will. You know, people of our village, they are too arrogant. Even people want to start claiming relationship. But in this case, I have to open my eyes. I have to be very, very careful. I have to be very, very active. I have to open my eyes. In fact, immediately the London commences, I will commence my duty. Let me rush home and tell my mother. Okay. Thank you, sir. Hey, uncle. I don't know how to thank you. Thank you very much. God bless you.
It's okay.
God bless you.
Just go and get yourself ready.
I am ready already, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'll come back. Mama? Where is my mother? Mama, come out! Come out! Mama, come out! Mama, I said, come out! I want you to go to the village and begin to announce it. Begin to announce it. Begin to carry your shoulder up. Lift up your shoulder. Tell them that yes, you serve a living God. Those people that said nothing good will come out of this family, let them come and see that Almighty God has remembered Obi Ada. Ebe!
What is making you this up?
Mama, excitement is an understatement. You should have asked me, why are you this proud? Why are you making noise? Why am I shouting? Why are you jumping up in happiness? Mama, today God have played my music. I told you I was on pause. Pause. He paused me. Everybody were looking at me as if I would never make it in life. Even you, Mama, you never believed that one day Obiadada will become somebody.
Obiadada.
Tuemia.
Obiadada.
Mama took pasamaha.
Obiadada.
Tuwe me agine to me agine echo.
Take me out of the dark and tell me what is going on. Ole Megani.
I cannot only take you out of the dark. When I take you out from this dark, I am going to throw you into the lake of happiness, where you will remain a happy mother forever. Because, hey, I am just coming from Mazi Obaraze's house.
I know.
Like you know. Mazi Obareze opened his mouth after looking at me. He looked into the heart. He looked into my heart. He looked inside of me and know that, yes, this boy, you cannot hurt a fly. Obiadada, you are so nice. Obiadada, out of the whole youth in this community, you are the only well-respected youth I have ever seen. There's no praises that this man didn't shower on me today. He was praising me. I was like feeling like Almighty, but I know I am not. At the end of it, Mama, hey, he offered me a job. A classy job, a very, very fantastic, protonious, and a deserving, lucrative job.
This job that is making you this happy, is he going to clean Angela's house because she will soon be back? Oh yeah.
Mama, I am talking about job and you are talking about cleaning. The job I have been offered to is better than cleaning and sweeping. In fact, let me break it. Let me bury it to you so that you understand what I mean. Mama, Obareze said that he is offering me a job as a personal PA to Angela that is returning from London.
Yes, sir.
Not just ordinary PA. You know, in life there is PA. There is personal PA. Then there is personal assistant. Yeah, see Angela here. See me behind. Angela sits, I sit. Angela is eating, I am eating. Angela finished answering a call. The phone will be dropped in my palms. Maybe husband Konacho Hinza, she will give it to me, Maza Korea. Angela Sacha, I can even clean her body and wear her clothes. Angela Bupaso, Magotraga Bupu. Angela wake oshi kulite ahone me maybe somehow her body is sweeting her. She wants to like. I will be the first person she will communicate to. And once she tell me, oh, my personal assistant, I am Honey. Say, wow, Honey is here.
Honey.
Oh! Also, Rega Honey. Mama, you will not understand this Honey. Because your own time, all would that ono with to yourself. But this time around, we use Honey because almost all the youths now are Honey. Mande ja, Mande Honey.
Go him to God. Yeah, all you're gonna go. Is she going to pay you, or is it free job? I don't understand.
Look at this old woman. Mama, you are not too old to start reasoning this way. I am talking about London here, and you are talking about payment. Who cares if she pays me or not? I am telling you that she is taking me to London. Somebody who is taking about 80 persons. Don't you know my name, your name, anything that concerns us is included?
Is it?
And you are here talking about
payment. Is it?
Nobody. Sing it aloud. Nobody.
Jesus.
Child.
Onye gemere mu ka Jesus. Onye gemere mu ka Jesus. Onye. Hey! London.
Okay. Nobody will treat you like Jesus.
London, here I come.
Show me how you are going to walk in London.
Watch.
Hey, babe. Here, go. We're going to get out with ice. Come inside. Hey! Yes!
London!
The useless youths of this family. Also, when you must have suffered for a little while, he will bless you and make you Oga. Oga. Hey!
My sister, I heard Obia that there is going to be Angelina's PA whenever she returns.
I beg Onyinye, say something better. Obia Dada. I don't understand. Who will give you such opportunity? That one that goes about picking aluminum from here to there will be huge PA. I beg, forget that one.
Ne, I know what I'm saying. This news, I got it from a reliable source.
I don't believe such stories. Do you understand? It's not even close to the family. So how come you now be Angelique baby's PA? Can we just say something better and forget about it?
Let's watch and see. Let's watch and see.
Let's watch and see. It's like tomorrow will just be the day of arrival. I can't wait to see that her skin that is glittering like mirror.
Oh, I can't wait to see
and
it
her
too.
kind of dress like her.
Oh my God.
Then I will not tell her that I am the happening chick in this village.
I trust
One
you.
of the biggest chicks.
I trust you.
And my name will be in the first list for those that are traveling to London.
So you said you hiding this London thing? Huh?
So they make pants they wear you. So if my mind no there, my eye no there, where you for day? London, here
Anyways,
I come.
I trust you, my dear.
Trust me,
I trust you.
Hey,
my...
come.
Bend down. Hey, stop.
Hey!
Come on, man! Sorry, I shouldn't knock the chair back. You want to break it? No, sir. But you put it properly. Come on, Anansi. Hey! Can you look at what you're wearing? Look at what you're wearing. Can't you look for something longer? Keep that guy word hurry. In a hitcher, Hey, we are on weekend. Once you are done with that nonsense, bring broom. All these cobwebs, I don't want to see them here. Make sure all these things is being removed. Hey, what's that flower? You don't just cut everything. I said you should cut the grass. I'm not cutting the tree. Cut the grass. Cut the grass. If you're not ready for this work, you leave. Other people will put you. Gather them together fast. You don't have more time. Bring those nonsense out of you. Bring them out. Use your hands. Everywhere must be neat. The person coming back is not just an ordinary person. Somebody who has eaten and dined with the Queen of England. Everywhere must be neat, like I said. I told you, mind how you bend down. That clothes you're wearing, I don't like what I'm doing.
What's your problem now?
Who is acting like a dog? What is it? Go and pour it outside and come back fast.
I will deal with you.
Bend down properly. Bend down like a woman. Hey. Come here. Come here. I asked you to bend down and walk like a woman, and you are walking like a fool.
I'm sorry, sir.
Everybody walk! Yes, sir. All hands on desk! Yes, walk! If you're bending down, bend down properly.
Okay, sir.
Bend down to favor others.
Right, sir.
Make sure you come to the house this evening. You need a thorough interview. If you must do this job, you need an interview. Understood?
Now go back and walk like a woman. Walk and bend down and walk. Stupid girl. Walk. Bend down properly to favor others. All hands should be on deck. Am I understood? Yes, sir. Walk. Walk. Bend down properly. If I catch you there, you will shout, "Eya!" Stupid girl. Bend down. Walk! Yes, are you walking? Yes, sir. Better. Walk. Bend down properly. Bend down and walk. Bend down to favor others. Are you bending? Sir. Bend. All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you all.